Here's how to add arrow in PDF. So adding arrows in PDF is very easy and simple. I'm gonna show you all this trick in PDF Element, so make sure you watch this video till the end. So let's get straight into it. First of all, we have our PDF right over here, just like that. And so we have to put arrows right over here. So what you have to do is go to this shapes. When you go over here, you'll see many shapes over here, but we have to go for the arrow, and simply just click on your right click, hold it, and you'll see you can put arrows wherever you want, just like that. See, it's very easy and basic, and we can do however, like we can go beyond or the lines, or we can, it's up to us. So yeah, that's basically it on how you can add arrows to PDF. So I hope I helped you guys out. Peace.